Hey, this is JD and FIA. I'm going to show you how you can end the song and hear G flat. All right, very simple. Sounds more complicated probably than it is. You probably already picked it up from the demonstration. All right, so what we're doing, we're in G flat. All right, we're coming out of a song. All right, those chords. All right, so I'm coming D flat and A flat. I'm on my 5. So D flat and A flat on my left hand, F on my right hand. Next chord, E flat and B flat, and I'm playing D flat and G flat on my right hand. So E flat and B flat on my left hand, D flat and G flat on my right hand. So D flat and F, I'm sorry I didn't tell you that before, D flat and F, and I'm coming off the E flat to hit the F. Next I'm playing D flat and G flat like I told you, with E flat and B flat on my left hand. Next chord, I'm playing F in my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing D flat, E flat, A flat. All right, and then I'm hitting my 4. Hit the G flat, and then I'm landing at B major 7, my 4 chord. So I have B flat and G flat on my left hand. I'm gonna hit the G flat on my right hand. And gonna play B flat and E flat. But when I hit the E flat, I'm gonna come off with the D flat. So we have, I'm sorry. All right. Then you're gonna hit a B flat minor 7. Left hand B flat and F. Right hand A flat and D flat. All right. Then after you hit that chord, then you're gonna play this. I don't even know what to call it. I guess a B major 7. All right, with the 7 at the bottom. So my left hand I'm playing the B flat. My right hand I'm playing B, D flat, E flat, G flat, and B flat. All right, and from here, I'm going to a F in my left hand with a B diminished 7 in my right hand. B, D, F, and A flat. So so the way it falls, 5, 4, 3, and then, and then I'll hit the D flat, E flat, G flat. So that's a G flat and G flat on my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing a B major chord, adding the 9. So B, D flat, E flat, G flat. B, D flat, E flat, G flat. Then I come hit the A flat. Come off the B flat to hit the B, then to the B flat. All right, up to speed. When you play that chord, you want to strum it. Don't, same time, kind of strum it. Same thing with that next chord, the F in the left hand, B diminished 7 on my right. And then kind of tap it. So one more time. All right, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know.